Thank you for loving me, for accepting who am I, and for helping me to be better every day. I love you and I will always love you despite of all the imperfection.
Tong salamat matlang ni anos mo sang sikak ni Olay. And while I'll always ask God to bless this relationship we have together, I also thank you for everything you always do for me, for your patience, and you are always appreciated. I love you.
I didn't know that everything was broken by design. How beautiful. It's taking me so long to realize. It's all a state of mind. I didn't know that everything was broken by design. How beautiful. It's taking me so long to realize. It's all a state of mind. It's all a state of mind. It's all a state of mind. Hold back, you know that it gets lonely, lonely, lonely. I'm driving down a low path by those tracks. I move slowly, slowly. You won't show me why you. Drive with you down low path by those tracks. I move slowly, slowly, yeah.
So therefore, mga kapatid, there are 4 principles by which a good marriage is founded. Una principle, mga kapatid, is leave your father and mother. Second, cleave to one another. And thirdly, become one flesh. This is done in 2 ways, physical and spiritual. And 4 principles, mga kapatid, raise a family.
You won't show